channel. It's Niaa C. I'm just gonna do a quick little try on haul today from Fashion Nova. Every time I start talking, I be like girl, you don't know what you're trying to say? But let me stop. I always do stuff like that. I don't know why. But let's do a quick little try on haul from Fashion Nova and tell me what you think, okay? Like, comment, and subscribe if you are a new subscriber. But hey girl, welcome to my channel. All right y'all, so this is the first outfit, and this is a little jumpsuit piece. So it looks like it's a sweatpants and like a top, but it's not. This is like a whole jumpsuit, and I feel like it looks so good. And I was like, I'm not gonna buy this because, you know, the girls' bodies on Fashion Nova be mad extra, and I was like, I don't know how that's gonna fit me because I'm gonna get it and it's probably gonna be mad baggy. But no, it fits mad good. Now I feel like I can't wait to like wear this because I'm thinking the places I should go now, because I got this nice little jumpsuit to wear and it's mad comfortable. It's good because it's like getting cold out anyway, so it's like perfect. But if you like this outfit, give me a thumbs up. And I bought a size, I think I bought a size extra small just because I was so cautious about how it's gonna fit, but it came out actually good. It's not much stretch here at the waist, I think because the waist is supposed to be like snatched, but it's not much stretch at the waist part, so it did take a little bit to come up. But girl, get the extra small, okay? Now let me stop. But let's get on to the next outfit. All right, so this is a Snoop Dogg t-shirt I bought. I thought it was cute and it's basic, and you could just throw this on with anything, honestly. Like, I put it with these little ripped black jeans, and it's cute. I think it's real cute. It's simple, and I bought this in an extra small. I be so iffy. I be so like iffy when I buy from Fashion Nova because I really do not try to send things back because they give you a hard time, and I don't got time for that. So when I bought this, I was like, let me get an extra small, and if it's too big, I'm gonna just put it in the dryer. That's it. I'm gonna try on the jacket, this jacket I bought, and we gonna see how this jacket fit. So far though, everything I bought I actually liked. The jumpsuit, amazing. This shirt, cute. It's basic, but it's cute. And now I'm gonna try this jacket. It's like a little puffer jacket. I thought it was cute, being that it's getting a little cold out, but it's like it's getting cold, but you're not ready to wear your long jackets yet. So I bought this little. This might be a little too little because it's colder than I thought it was gonna be this time of year. Anyways, let's see. It actually looks good. Hey girl, you better go. This is cute. So this is a little puffer jacket I bought. It feels like, it kind of feels like a whatchamacallit though. It feels like is what's the word I'm looking for? Girl, what is the word? Like a crop jacket. Like, it feels like a crop because it feels like it's literally on my waist. So let me see if I zip it up how it's gonna feel. Oh no, oh hold on. I mean, it could do, but this is for more like when you just hitting when you just hitting like 50 degrees out, so you can wear it open, or this is just hitting, leaving winter, coming to summer, spring kind of weather. But it's cute. If you like this jacket, like this video. See, this t-shirt is gonna go with everything. Like, it's blue, it's red, it's black, but this is cute. You better stop, girl. I always tell myself, girl, you better stop. Girl, you better stop. That's when I feel like I'm like gassing my head up too much. Alright, I'm gonna try on this t-shirt next. Let's see what this is about and be right back. Alright, this is the All Eyes on Me shirt. It's not big, but I mean, it's cute. I still wear it. But this is one of them shirts I'm gonna have to put in the wash to dry to get a little more fit. But this is cute. I like it. And this is something I could throw in my sweatsuit because your girl loves a sweatsuit, okay? It's an extra small, by the way. All my clothes, well, most of my clothes, like my shirts, I get in an extra small. But this is comfortable. This is real comfy. And it look cute in my jeans too. my ripped jeans. I'm looking in the mirror, so that's why my eyes are going that way. But I like it. It'll do. What's next? So I'm gonna put on, I got something else. No, this is it. This is the last thing. I got these jeans. I'm about to try on, and let's see what we're working with. Okay. All right. Last but not least, these jeans. First of all, I was mad hyped because when I took them out the bag, I didn't know if they was gonna stretch or not, but they fit, and they fit so good. Oh my god, I love these jeans. First of all, they soft material, which I did not think, and they stretchy, so I'm hyped. Like, and I needed jeans that's like with no rips, because all my jeans got rips in it, and the way this winter be going, I can't even play them type of games because I don't like the cold. So I'm gonna have to start getting me some basic jeans like this. But I think it's so cute. They fit me better than I thought, because I thought I was gonna have to give these to my friend Leanne because we kind of the same size and some stuff. So I was like, she might have to get these. But girl, I'm sorry, you can't get these. These fit me too good, girl. Bye. These fit me too good, girl. Let me stop. All right, so that was that. On all the little pieces I bought from Fashion Nova. Like I said, it wasn't a lot of stuff. I just wanted, you know, when you just want something, so you just want to shop. Like, they was having a good deal, a good sale. They always have sales, but they was having a good sale. I think it was like 40% off or something like that. And I was like, let me just see what they got. And me, I'm the type of person that have like 130 stuff in my wish list, and I end up never buying them, or they end up selling out. So when I got these stuff in my shopping cart and I saw stuff like selling out, I was like, no girl, you gotta get something before you don't have nothing. Okay, but yes, that was it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Keep watching for more uploads, hopefully soon, because I be slacking. But enjoy this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.